Down there is the understory. I wouldn't want to live close to the ground. All those roots and hanging vines. Who knows what else might be hanging around? It's a pretty shady neighborhood.
We happen to like it here.
In this steamy place, the great pot cheese shoots up through the forest and emerges above the kiln.
This is the story of a community of animals that live in a great cave tree.
Rainforest speaks. Rainforest speaks. Let's all hear the story of the rainforest speaks. Rainforest speaks. Rainforest speaks. Let's all hear the story of the rainforest speaks.
It's hot today. This is the tree. We should have brought a team. I can do it. It must be done today. You can count on me. Whack, whack, whack. Chop, chop, chop. Whew. Whack, whack, whack. Chop, chop, chop. Oh.
As the man sleeps, the rainforest comes alive with the music of the animals. Their first song tells about the boa constrictor.
Swallowed by a boa constrictor, a boa constrictor, a boa constrictor. I'm being swallowed by a boa constrictor, and I don't like it one bit. Oh, gee, it's up to
A land without trees and soil.
A desert! The toucans are jealous of the monkeys, so they get a song too.
Three talking toucans sitting in a tree. Three talking toucans sitting in a tree.
What happened?
Two flew away. One talking toucan sitting in a tree. One talking toucan sitting in a tree.
What happened?
One flew away. No talking toucan sitting in a tree. No talking toucan sitting in a tree.
What happened? Ah.
One flew back.
And then the other.
Don't forget me.
Three.
Talking toucan sitting in a tree.
They sure are loud.
Senor, stop, stop, stop!
You must not cut down this tree. We know what happens after you chop, chop, chop the trees. Fire, fire, fire! Burn the land and make it flat.
Our tree homes will be gone, gone, gone!
The frog knew that she was the best singer in the rainforest.
Run, went a little green frog one day. Gruff went a little green frog. Gruff went a little green frog one day. And his friends went bloop, bloop, bloop. Yellow fox said, la-ya-ya, la-ya-ya, la-ya-ya. Yellow fox said, la-ya-ya, oh, bloop, bloop, bloop. Went a little green frog one day. Gruff went a little green frog. Gruff went a little green frog one day. And his friends went bloop, bloop, bloop. Yellow fox said, la-ya-ya, la-ya-ya, la-ya-ya. Yellow fox said, la-ya-ya, oh, bloop, bloop, bloop.
Senor, the K-pop tree is home to many birds and animals.
If you cut it down, where will I find my dinner?
Senor, do you know what keeps us alive?
Oxygen!
And Senor, do you know what trees make?
Oxygen!
If you cut down the forest, you will kill the trees that give us life.
That would be terrible. Just terrible.
Senor, think of the future. What you do today can mess up tomorrow. Think of it. They will need this beautiful tree.
Hey, look!
Here she comes.
Finally.
Who is that? Don't you know? It's a little sloth.
She is very wise because she is very patient. Has she been climbing down? Since the man first showed up. What's she going to say?
Listen. Senor, how much is beauty worth? Can you live without it? If you destroy the rainforest, where would you find its beauty to look at?
My tribe lives in this rainforest too. Senor, when you awake, please look at us with new eyes. Please don't cut down our rainforest home.
I just had the weirdest dream. The animals spoke. They sang songs to me about the forest and this tree. Weird.
Golden
your spots without your scripts, just in case any of your parents want to take a picture of the whole class. Then in about 2 minutes, I'll wait, leave your costume on.
Oh my God.